It's here, and welcome back to another video. Today, this is the part 2 of the pop-up update. So, if you haven't watched the first video yet, make sure to watch that first before you go here, because if you do this first, you're gonna be so late to the party. And I'm in the private server right now, and look at me. Look at my... Well, I have no streaks because I'm not in the public server. But, guys, I have 845 wins. Yes, guys, that's true. There's no screenshot. That's true. So, let's see. Before anything else, we're gonna play the pop-up, the rest update, the rest of all the songs, everything. And the other one is pop-up radiant, key live, and biscuit in the first video. Now we're gonna do gatio, stomachache, and sugar cookie. First is stomachache because I'm feeling stomachache right now.
3, 2, 1, go!
Time and I was so confused at first. Now I know what it is. I thought it's just like the right side one, but it's purple. Oh. We got it. Now on to the third song. No merry-go-round because this time is gonna break at no time. And the other song, the first part is a little bit long. Maybe this is gonna be a short one. So let's do Gatio, cause why not? Video.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I think this is the dog. The dog. I know elementary school. Okay, on to the next song. We don't have any much time to wait because I'm tired. I'm tired right now, and now that you guys are watching. So let's see. The last one, sugar cookie. Sugar cookie.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. Yeah, and that's all the songs of Pom Pom. Make sure to guys enjoy the video, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy and have a good day. Peace out.